So this is the part 2 of May-June 2023 P11. Question number 32. The diagram shows the 28 days of a typical menstruation cycle. The letter around the outside indicates the points in the cycle. Just- Which row shows the point in the cycle? Maximum thickness, menstruation, and ovulation. Okay. So firstly, we can easily identify ovulation. We know that the ovulation occurs on almost day 14. So it would be X. For X, we have two options. One is A and second is C. Okay. Then menstruation right after ovulation. Again, the uterus lining would start becoming thick. So we have two options, Z and Z. So option Z is for maximum thickness. Now you have to identify the correct one for the menstruation. So after, as the uterus line become maximum thick, so then the menstruation starts. So it would be at U. So the correct option for question number 32 is C. Question number 33. The diagram shows the arrangement of the blood vessels in the uterus wall and placenta of the pregnant woman. This is the diagram given here, which will what will increase in the concentration of blood as it flows from 1 to 2. As the blood flow from 1 to 2, which what will increase in the blood concentration. So let's read out the options. Option A is amino acids. No. Option B is carbon dioxide. Yes, the carbon dioxide concentration will increase as the blood passes from 1 to 2. Then question number 34. Some lizards in the population has longer legs, long leg bones than the other. They are able to climb better than the lizards with the shorter legs and are able to escape from their predators on the ground. Over the time, the lizard with the shorter leg died out, so that all the lizards in the population now have longer leg. Which process has caused this change within the result population? So the process that has caused the change in the lizard population is natural selection. The lizards with the longer legs lived more as compared to the lizards with shorter legs. So due to this, the lizards with shorter legs couldn't survive and they died out. And now the population is have the lizards with longer legs. Question number 35. The genotype of the height of an organism is written TT. Which conclusion may be drawn? The allele for the height has at least two different genes. No. Then there are at least two different alleles for the gene of the height. You can say yes, this option may be correct. Then there are two different genes for the height, each having a single allele. No. There is one allele for the height with two different forms. No. Question number 35. So question number 35 is the diagram shows some apparatus set up to produce alcohol by fermentation. What is the purpose of the oil layer? So the purpose of the oil layer is to prevent aerobic respiration, which is option B. Question number 37. The diagram shows a pyramid of biomass. This is the pyramid of biomass. Which percentage of the biomass is passed from the primary consumer to secondary consumer? So the primary consumer to secondary consumer, total energy is 1200. What you have to do, 1200 divided by 12 into 100. 2020 cancel, 12 ones are 12 ones are. 1% is the correct answer for question number 37. Question number 38, the diagram shows the part of the carbon cycle. This is the diagram showing carbon cycle. So which row which row shows the correct labels for the numbered boxes? Okay, so let's have a look at the diagram first. 2 would be the plants, as the photosynthesis the photosynthesis process occurring like from this here, the respiration comes to here, and they are being feeded by the animals. 3 would be animals, 3 animals and 2 plants. We have option the one with option we have option C or D, but option C is incorrect, option B is incorrect because at 3 they aren't animal. So the option D you can easily identify is correct, and option A is also incorrect because there isn't animal in 3. So while identifying the 2 boxes only, you easily identify that which option is correct. So option D is correct. So question number 38. Question number 39. Where is it? Yes. Just a second. Here is question number 39. Which human activity is likely to contribute most to the global warming? Okay. First is non-degradable plastic in the ocean. No. Second is pollution due to insecticides. No. Emission of the carbon. Emission of the burning fossil fuels. Yes. So this is an activity that contributing global warming. Option C is correct for question number 39. Then question number 40. So question number 40 is the drainage from the field where nitrogen containing fertilizers have been spread can result in the fish dying in the river. Which sequence of events describe what happens when the fish die as a result of the water pollution by nitrogen containing fertilizers? Let's read out the options. Less oxygen dissolved in water. No. By reading the first part, you can easily identify that which is it correct or not. If is it correct, so you can read further on, and if it isn't correct, so you can move to the second one. Less oxygen dissolved, so again incorrect. Then more growth of water plants. Which sequence of the events describe what happens when the fish die as a result of water pollution by nitrogen containing fertilizers? So option C or D, one of them would be correct. More growth of water plants, less plant decomposition by bacteria. No. More growth. So option D would be correct. More growth of water plants, more plants decomposition by bacteria. When more plants are decomposed by bacteria, so less oxygen dissolve in water. So this option D is correct for question number 40. So this was the end of paper of May June. O levels biology May June 2023 P11. I hope you understood it.